Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 14th day of September. The time as I make this is 3:56 a.m. My name is Rich, and we had another landfalling hurricane while you slept here in the United States. This one came ashore just southwest of Freeport, Texas, and that happened at 12:30 a.m. So Nicholas will have a big impact on the weather in a multi-state area across the Deep South for the next several days, including Alabama, with lots of rainfall. In fact, I've updated the rainfall totals, and we'll tell you which days have the best rainfall chances. Plus, that's not the only thing out in the tropics. There are several other areas that need to be watched as well. Without any further ado, here's the latest on Nicholas. So Nicholas now is a tropical storm with 70-mile-an-hour winds, located about 35 miles north-northwest of Freeport, moving north-northeast at about 9 miles per hour. Now, the problem is, and if you look at this cone, is this thing is going to slow up. It's going to lose, steering currents, and it's going to be drenching not only Texas and Louisiana and Mississippi, but Alabama over the next few days. So that Nicholas is going to be known as a major flood producer. So Nicholas will be the big weather maker across the south for the next few days, and relatively slow moving as it moves into Louisiana probably tonight. And I think by tomorrow it is still affecting much of Louisiana and Mississippi, and the rain spreading into Alabama. So Nicholas is going to be a big deal in the week ahead for all of us. And you can see the rainfall today is probably not directly associated with Nicholas, but there will be more rain on the radar today than yesterday, including some heavy downpours, especially in central and south Alabama. So we'll continue to see increasing rain chances with scattered afternoon storms, a little more numerous today. High in the upper 80s, very humid. Tonight's low 71 with the southeasterly winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow at 4 p.m., Nicholas is still located not too far from Lake Charles, Louisiana. All the wet weather is on the east side of it, of course. On Thursday, there's the extensive rain shield now covering much of Mississippi and Alabama on Thursday, drenching rains across the area. And on Friday, the low is weaker, but still only into Mississippi at that time. So rain chances are high on Friday. Then on Saturday, Nicholas really starts to dissolve, but we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms still around. And on Sunday, fewer showers will take the rain chances down to about 30% by the time Sunday gets here. Rainfall for the next 5 days, I decided to use the GFS model. 3 to 4 inches for a lot of us. Some places could see a lot more than that, especially out to the west of us. And you can see 10 to 12 inches in the southwestern parts of Louisiana. The European model is even wetter, probably more unreasonable, so I decided to use the GFS. So here's the deal. Rain chances are very high Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with tropical downpours. Will we see any tropical tornadoes? Don't know yet. We'll see. Mid to upper 80s, and then rain chances 50% Saturday, 30% on Sunday as we start to level out on the rain chances by the end of the weekend. Meanwhile, there's another area to watch off the southeastern U.S. coastline. Actually, it's a little east of the Bahamas right now. Good chance it's going to become a depression or a tropical storm. In fact, the European is very bullish on that. The next two names available are Odette and Peter. And then we have this system way out there off the coast of Africa with an 80% chance of becoming a depression or a tropical storm, and I think eventually probably a hurricane. So again, this will be either Peter or Odette, depending on who gets a name first. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Everything is normal this morning. You've heard this a bunch of times. We're live on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We're also live on TV, CBS 8 and ABC 32. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett is feeling better, and he's back at work this morning. And there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we bring you up to date on Nicholas's future effects for us, the remnants of Nicholas by that time. And what else? Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. All right, get ready for a lot of rain over the next few days. I'll see you later. Have a good one.